Let's solve few problems now based on whatever we have learned so far. Yeah. Now look at the first one. So you have x into sin x. Now before we start with any of these problems, remember the very basic rule, that is the precedence. The precedence is always given by I late, correct? Inverse, log, and then algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. So in this case, when we are doing integral of say I, x into sin x, what should be the first function, what should be the second? Basically u and v. So here x value becomes u, this value becomes v, correct? Because the first function has to be algebraic. Algebraic takes the precedence. Then comes the trigonometric. So now what we have is I is equal to, what is integral of u into v or f of x into g of x? So you have integral of uv. This is equal to u into integral of v minus integral of u dash into integral of v, correct? This is the formula. So in this case, x is nothing but u, the first function. So we have x into integral of sin x minus integral of u dash. What is derivative of x? 1. So 1 into integral of sin x dx, right? So this is going to be x into minus cos x minus integral of minus cos x, right? See, this minus sign, if you take it outside the root, then we can say that this is going to become plus, right? So we have minus x cos x plus integral of cos x, right? Now, what is integral of cos x? Sin x. So we are going to have minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. This is the answer for the first question. Yeah. Now let's do the second one. See, in the second one, I is equal to integral of x log x. Now here the first function becomes the log function, correct? So this is u, this is v, right? So first I is equal to log x into integral of x dx minus integral of u dash, that is 1 by x into integral of x, correct? So dx, you can write it. Remember, this is the second part, right? Now you are going to have log of x into x square by 2, right? Minus integral of 1 by x into x square by 2. So here this x and x cancels. And this is going to be half x square log x minus integral of x divided by 2, correct? We are going to have x square by 2 into log x minus half into x square by 2 plus c. Or final answer, we can write it as x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. So this is going to be the final answer for the second question. Fair enough? Now, similarly, we have the third one. Instead of x log x, here you have x square log x, correct? Let's do the third one. See, in this question, you have I is equal to integral of x square log x, right? Again, the first function has to be log function. Second function has to be x square. The reason, you know, precedence takes, right? Precedence is given to log function. I late, L is the second one. So now you have I is equal to u, that is log of x into integral of x square dx minus integral of 1 by x into, what is the next part? Integral of x square dx, correct? Now what do we have? Log of x into x cube by 3 minus 1 by x into x cube divided by 3, right? Now one x and x cancel, you'll get x square, right? Now x cube by 3 into log of x, first part, minus 1 by 3 integral of x square dx, right? Now you have x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3 into x cube by 3. So final answer, we can write x cube by 3 into log of x minus x cube by 9 plus c. So this is going to be the final answer for the third question. I hope this is clear how to go about it, right? Now in the next one, we'll see the fourth one now. See the fourth one now. I is equal to integral of x tan inverse of x. So you have u, you have v, correct? Now since you have u and v, I is equal to tan inverse of x into integral of x, the first part, minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square, because tan inverse of x derivative is that, right? Into integral of x dx. This is the next part, correct? So you have tan inverse of x into x square by 2. Derivative of, sorry, integral of x is x square by 2. Minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square into x square by 2, correct? So into x square by 2, right? So into 1 by 2. So I can write the 1 by 2 here, dx. Now let's consider only this integral part. Let's not do the rest of the part, because the next one, the first part is quite simple, the previous part, right? Now what we'll do, so we'll do this as a side part. That is, we are doing integral of x square by 1 plus x square. Now add 1, subtract 1. Okay, that means integral of x square plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Correct? Now split it. Split in the sense, we are going to group this as 1 and the other one. Okay? So we are going to get integral of 1 plus x square, or x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square, minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square. Correct? This becomes 1. What is integral of dx? X, right? Minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x square. So we are going to have x minus tan inverse x, right? So what did we get? This entire integral, what you're seeing now, is nothing but x minus tan inverse of x, correct? This part is nothing but this entire part, what we just did, right? So we'll substitute that. But now what we are going to get here is that x square by 2 into tan inverse x, this is the first part, well and good, minus half into x minus tan inverse of x, right? So you can write this as x square by 2 tan inverse of x plus half tan inverse x minus x by 2 plus c. So this is going to be the answer for the fourth one. Well and good. Now in the next video, we are going to see few more types of problems. It's more like a continuation of this one, but then try to understand that it might be a little different from this one. All right, so we'll discuss these things in the next one.